experiment, fly my drone, a drone, you know, one of my interests. Guys, most of you are surprised. They're like, yeah, it's general life I bring here on Christian TV show. So thank you so much, guys. Water from one place to another. Sometimes you want to send like a drone or something like that, right? Park, it's a very nice park, and there's so much. So if you can see the other side, they're having some party. So stick around, guys, as I walk finding. So enjoy, guys. I thought I should bring you the text part, guys, how it's gonna go. Okay, thank you.